Hello everyone, welcome back to Techavro. In this video, I will show you how to add an edge glitch transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. At first, open your project. Now head over to Effect panel on the right. In the search bar, type VR Digital Glitch. You will find Video Effects. Now drag the VR Digital Glitch effect onto your second clip right at the point where you want your transition to happen. Now go to Effect Controls panel at the top. You will see options like Glitch Amplitude, Color Distortion and Noise Strength. Move your playhead to start of the transition. Set Glitch Amplitude to 0. Click the stopwatch icon to create your first keyframe. Now move a few frames forward. Increase the glitch amplitude to around 100 or higher for strong glitch effect. Move a few more frames forward and set it back to 0. This brings the glitch out smoothly. Now hit play and you have got a cool glitch transition between your clips. And that's how you have created an awesome edge glitch transition in Premiere Pro. If you all like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.